Did Google copy Terra Vision? Hello, this is Reinhard von Hennigs, and this is the topic of a new Netflix miniseries, which is being launched in Germany, identifying and discussing and highlighting the complex situation between Terra Vision, a German startup company, and Google Earth. Did Google indeed violate copyright, crack the code, and therefore create Google Earth? Terra Vision was in the Earth imaging years ahead, and they created a software years ahead of Google. If you compare the software details, the touch and feel is unbelievable similar. They are almost identical. So here's a question: did they violate the code? The Netflix miniseries is keeping somehow true to the historic reality, but whatever is historic reality may be seen through the case of litigation between the two companies. There is an interesting side note to that if you're running a business. Number one, if you go to Silicon Valley and you get out of a sudden an interview, an opportunity to pitch, or some opportunity to share what you're working on, do not do that without an NDA. It seems to be that here the two gentlemen from Germany got pretty much excited when somebody from Google wanted to meet them, and they spilled all details without proper paperwork. Number two, if you are so sure about something, make sure that it is patented and in all different means copyright protected before you talk with investors or third parties. At least have some filing done. And number three, if you are making a movie, the mixture between fiction and reality is very often very thin. So therefore, a movie based on a true story is not necessarily identically in all the facts. So if you're really interested in the details of the billion-dollar code, look into the court records where you see more details. Well, this leads to the question, are court records for real?